Hola muchachos, ¿qué tal? Buenos días. Aquí tienen el horario para hoy, lunes, el 31 de julio. Welcome to the first day of class, el primer día de clases. I am your teacher, Mr. Carey, for this particular academic year, and it is an honor and a pleasure to be with you all. And this is what we'll be doing every class, or what I will be doing rather. I'll be creating a video for you guys, giving you a rundown of what it is we're going to do today in the event that you're absent or I'm absent and you guys want to have an idea of what we got going on. So always at the very beginning, you're going to have the day and date, any homework that was due for today. Of course, there's nothing due for today's class, it being the first day. And then you can see here what it is that's going to be on your radar. You have your welcome back quiz that is due as homework on Wednesday. We're actually going to do that in class together. You can access the welcome quiz by clicking on this hyperlink here. The rough draft of your Quien Soy Yo autobiographical presentation, just to continue working on that rough draft that we're going to start today. And your final draft again is due on Tuesday of next week. And then sign up for our Class Remind account. And you can find that code right there. Daily objectives for today: to review key vocabulary used to describe yourself, your hobbies, your interests, and family life. Understand what you need to do to be successful in this class, and then we're going to work together to devise our classroom behavior expectations. We're going to start class with this intro PowerPoint, which serves two purposes. It introduces me to you, and then it also kind of serves as an example of what I am going to assign to you guys for your first day, or for your first project, which is your autobiographical presentation, Quien Soy Yo. So what I'd like you to do is, on a note card, write your answers to these questions. ¿Cómo eres? ¿Participas en un club de deporte? ¿Qué te gusta hacer en tus ratos libres? ¿En qué es tu materia favorita y por qué? Who are you? What do you participate in after school? What do you like to do in your free time? And what is your favorite subject and why? I'm going to model the responses to these questions here for you. And so you can go through this PowerPoint at your leisure and kind of utilize the beginning of the response and then fill in the blanks with whatever adjectives, for example, you would use to best describe yourself. So as you go through the PowerPoint, you'll see that there are references to relevant vocabulary that you can use for each question. ¿Qué te gusta hacer en tus ratos libres? What do you like to do in your free time? En mis ratos libres me gusta. In my free time, I like to. And then go ahead and indicate 5 verbs that you enjoy, 5 activities you enjoy doing on your free time. And there you have some more verbs to choose from. ¿Qué es tu materia favorita y por qué? What's your favorite subject and why? For this, you guys are going to just do the first part for right now. Mi materia favorita es, and then the answer. Español, matemáticas, geografía, historia, química, física, biología, arte, música, coro, educación física, inglés. So just that first part, and then we'll get to the rest in terms of why it's your favorite when we get together next class. ¿Participas en un club de deporte? Do you participate in any extracurriculars? Si yo participo en, and then you're going to replace la banda en marcha with what it is you do in your free time. FFA, PATA, Club de Arte, Club de Historia, Club de Matemáticas, football, football americano, baseball, NHS, CSF, etc. Right, last question, ¿Cómo es tu familia? What's your family like? You're going to include 3 adjectives to describe your family. Mi familia es grande, atrevida, y loca. So 3 adjectives that you would use to describe your family, very similar to how you described yourself. And then in terms of things you like to do in your free time together and describing 2 family members with 3 adjectives, we can do that again next class. All right, so that's the intro PowerPoint. The rubric for the autobiographical presentation, the Quien Soy Yo assignment, you guys can find that here. And then I would also advise you, in addition to looking at the rubric and kind of seeing how it breaks down and what it is you need to include to get the score that you aspire to achieve, I would go to the calendar and where the assignment is. It'll take you to the assignment, and the video that you're watching now, you have a more in-depth video that you can watch for more detailed instructions on the assignment. The PowerPoint I shared with you is right there, and the rubric that I just showed you is there too. So everything you need for that assignment is embedded. And then for the rest of the class, we are going to go ahead and knock out the classroom policies and procedures quiz. Rather than going over the syllabus with you word for word, line for line, I'm going to have you guys refer to it on your own and utilize it to answer the questions on your welcome quiz. So all of the answers to the welcome quiz you can find on your syllabus. And the electronic copy of the syllabus is right here by clicking here. If you go to modules, if you go to the intro orientation module, you also have a copy of the syllabus there. So use the syllabus to complete the questions for the welcome quiz. You do have 2 attempts. I highly recommend that you utilize both. Finally, we're going to knock out the interview activity, Quien Soy Yo. Essentially, all you're doing for this assignment is you're going to connect with 15 different classmates. So working with a different person for each of the questions. These are the same questions that you guys are answering for your project as well. You guys are going to go around the room, write the name of the classmate that you worked with in the box, and then for this first vertical column, 3 adjectives that that person would use to describe themselves. So for example, Mr. Carey, you can write it in the box, and then inteligente, paciente, reservado. Okay, it doesn't need to be a full complete sentence, even though it says that. I guess I should change that. Not in a complete sentence, just bullet points. Name, 3 adjectives. And you're going to do that for this first vertical column, numbers 1, 6, and 11. For boxes 2, 7, and 12, 3 adjectives to describe their family. So their name, and then just in bullet points, 3 adjectives. For the third column in the middle, 3 activities, 3 verbs, things that they like to do in their free time. Write the name of your classmate, 3 verbs. For the fourth vertical column, numbers 4, 9, and 14, you're going to include just 1 favorite subject. So there's 1 item. Favorite subject is fine. In the last column, 5, 10, and 15, extracurriculars that they participate in. We're going to start this in class today. We're going to finish it next class for you to turn in on Friday. So what to do for next class? Make sure to knock out that welcome quiz by the next time we see each other. Continue working on your rough draft of your Kinsoyo presentation. Sign up for the Remind app for notifications. And that is all that you need to do for Wednesday. An honor and a pleasure, un gusto tenerles en clase y nos vemos la clase que viene. Adiós, muchachos. Chao.